and they don't listen. Nation, mostly the middle belt, east and south. You have to stand up for yourself. That's what God is saying. Raise vigilantes. Don't wait for the government, because government sent those people to you. If they start seeing dead bodies, they will forget about economy. Wickedness. You should know that the politicians kill people to be where they are. And so they don't care to kill more people. Fight for yourself. The message was sent before the massacre that took place of them burning 200 people alive. And so there's going to be another one again in the eastern parts, and they are planning to get students from schools. They will go to schools where students they are, and they will catch them. If I talk, the prophecy that I speak does not take long to work. So I'm not just talking. If they play with it, in Nigeria, I'm talking to the eastern part, the Igbos, and I told the people in Imo State, Olu local government, go and get security vigilante now. You should guide schools, guide the market, because the burning and the destruction that is going to happen in the east is more than what took place in Benue State.